985. They say champions never rust, but time eventually catches up to everyone.
Who turned on the light? Wait a minute. Is that you? I can't believe it.
Another relic left to rot in the dark. How far you've fallen, 95.
I know what it looks like. But I'm not finished. I still have one more race left in me.
Time eventually takes us all. Even the fastest among us can't outrun the rust.
I know what it looks like. But I'm not finished. I still have one more race left in me.
Time eventually catches up to everyone, even legends.
There it is, the famed 985. I can't believe we finally found it after all this time.
It's been so long. Why are you here?
Another lifetime ago, they called him Lightning. Now, just rust and memories in the dark.
Looks like she's been sitting here for years. The corrosion is extensive. Getting this engine running again won't be easy.
Every turn brings back a little life. Essential maintenance for a seasoned engine like this one.
She's been sitting here for years, covered in dust. But we'll get her running again. Just needs a little persuasion.
Easy does it. This new filter will help you breathe much better, buddy.
He applied the final torque to the bolt. The engine was old, but it wasn't done yet.
Wow, look at this place. Nobody's touched this car in years. What happened here?
She's seen better days, that's for sure. A lot of history packed into these seats.
Meticulous work is essential. We need to see the original readings beneath all this grime.
Another relic left to rot in the dark. How far you've fallen, 95.
Keep brushing vigorously. We need to remove as much of this corrosion as possible before we can even think about painting.
When the lights fade and the crowds go home, the real work begins. Getting back on the track means getting your hands dirty.
The key here is the extent of the pitting beneath the rust. If it's too deep, the wheel is compromised.
Rusted clean through the chassis. How many years has it been since she saw the light of day? It's worse than I thought.
It's funny. You spend your whole life dreaming of the finish line. You never think about what happens after you cross it.
I thought my career was over, washed up. But looking at this shine, maybe I still have a shot.
Rusty, covered in grime, but underneath it all, the heart of a true racer was starting to shine through.
Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna get you fixed up good as new. Just gotta smooth out these rough patches first.
Every grain of sand marked the beginning of a comeback. We knew the champion was still in there, somewhere beneath the rust.
They thought I was finished, washed up. But the king of the track is ready for his comeback. Wow, look at that shine. I forgot I was red under all that dust.
Legends aren't born in the spotlight. They're forged in the shadows, waiting for a second chance.
He allowed himself to be forgotten. But the engine still remembered who he was.
Now we tighten the flange bolt connecting the new pipe to the converter. Make sure it's torqued properly to avoid leaks.
We're not fixing the past, kid. We're getting you ready for the future.
New paint won't fix the past, but new rubber can change the future. Let's see what this old engine has left.
They said he was the fastest, but look at him now. Time eventually wins every race.
Looking good. These new light years will give you the grip you need for the final stretch. Whoa, nice light! Okay, I am ready to go. Let's hit the track.
And here comes Lightning McQueen charging hard on the high side. He clears 48. What a move by McQueen.
He's done it. Number 95 takes the checkered flag and wins the Piston Cup. What a finish.